take out your reader book. Okay, kita baca reader book first, okay? Okay. We read the reader book first. Next book. Okay, I want you take out your reader book, all of you. Okay, semua orang ambil reader book page number 17. Look first, all of you look this book first. Okay, turn to page number 17. Okay, hari ni tarikh dia adalah Thursday. Okay, how to spell Thursday? Thursday. Thursday. Then hari ni tarikh 29-7-2021. Okay, I nak semua orang tengok muka surat 17. Aisyah.
You there?
R S D A Y Thursday. Okay, today day adalah 29-7-2021. 29. Today day is 29. Okay?
Is this picture red? No.
Yes, Maziang. Yes, Maziang. What you say? Da. Xian, you done? Day and date? Okay, wait for your friend. Tunggu untuk you punya kawan dulu, okay? Okay, we see this picture. We talk about this picture first, okay? This one you put wrong. Okay, kita akan tengok first picture. We see the first picture, class. Okay, are they doing the right thing? Okay, dia ada buat tak benda betul ke tak betul? Okay, we see the first picture. Kita akan tengok gambar pertama. Okay, what is the boy doing? Apa yang budak itu tengah buat? Who can say to me?
Eating the jelly.
Eating the jelly. Can eat lot of jelly or not?
Cannot.
Okay. Boleh makan tak macam ini, Olivia? Tak boleh. So, you cannot tak boleh makan tau. Kenapa tak boleh makan? Sebab budak ini ambil makanan jelly. Take the jelly food, eat all. It put inside. Dia semua masuk dalam mulut. You can put all the food inside your mouth, like food. Cannot. Very, very wrong. Why? What happened? If you eat lot of food, you put inside your mouth, what happened? Apa jadi? Your food will be stuck. Yes, your food will be stuck. The food will be stuck on your neck. Your food will be, nanti you makan, nanti makanan itu stuck you punya Sini neck ini neck Nanti kalau you makan banyak, nanti you mulut besar, nanti ini semua besar, nanti you tak boleh minum air, nanti you tak boleh makan. Later you punya mouth, your pipi like this. Become like this. Yes, teacher say true. If you eat lot of food, if you put your lot of food inside your mouth, later your mouth become big. Betul. Kalau you makan banyak-banyak, nanti you punya ni mulut besar. Macam ni. So, you tak boleh makan banyak-banyak. You kena makan macam mana? You kena makan satu persatu. Contoh, this one is jelly. Okay, example, this one is jelly. Okay, now teacher eat the jelly. Okay, now I eating the first one. Okay, first I tengah makan jelly. Habis dalam mulut punya baru I ambil yang second. Then baru ambil yang third. I tak boleh semua masuk jelly dalam mulut saya. Nanti mulut saya pain, nanti mulut sakit, nanti neck sakit, nanti perut pun sakit. Later if you eat lot of food, if your food is stuck, nanti you have to go to clinic. Later doctor say, you eat lot of food, you eat lot inside your mouth. That's why your neck pain, your stomach pain. So kita masa kena makan, kita kena makan satu persatu, one by one. Can understand? Can understand. Okay. So masa you makan, you kena makan satu-satu. Contoh budak ini, John is his friend Badri. He eat lot of food in its mouth. He put lot of food in the mouth. He should not do like that. So dia masa tengah makan, dia kena makan satu persatu. Dalam mulut itu finish, after eating inside the mouth punya, baru dia makan yang seterusnya. Tak boleh semua masuk. Ini kita bukan robot. Kita bukan robot, tahu. Kita manusia. Kita ini people. People cannot eat like a robot. So we must eat properly. When you eating, you must eat one by one. Okay. After you eat number one, inside the mouth finish, yang dalam mulut punya dah habis, baru you makan yang number 2. Dan number 2 dah habis, baru yang makan yang number 3. Your inside the mouth food must be finished. Dalam mulut you punya makanan finish, take the second spoon, baru you makan. You cannot put number 1, number 2, you eat. Later you cannot drink, later you cannot talk. Later your neck pain, back pain, stomach pain, semua sakit. Sebab itu masa makan, you kena makan one by yes, one by one. You cannot, okay, for example, you eat the candy, okay, you put all the candy inside your mouth. Boleh? Semua gula letak you punya mulut, boleh tak? Tak boleh. If you put all the candy inside your mouth, later your mouth like this. Later sini sakit, gigi sakit, mulut sakit, neck sakit, stomach sakit. That's why you kena makan satu persatu. Contoh, ini makanan nasi. Cikgu ada nasi, cikgu ada ikan. Cikgu tak boleh masuk semua nasi, ikan, semua masuk. Cannot. Very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. You cannot eat like that. Salah. Okay? So, what Mazian, are you okay? Nanti kalau you makan banyak-banyak food macam ini, you masuk semua dalam, nanti you punya mulut, neck, semua sakit. Okay? Yes. Okay, can understand? Boleh faham tak? Olivia boleh faham, Olivia? Boleh faham? Ni boleh faham? Faham. Okay. Maziang understand Maziang? Maziang, Shian understand this first picture? Okay, so he is doing the correct thing or wrong thing? Wrong. So I want you put the cross. I want you put cross. Wrong. Okay, Aina you buat pangkat. Salah, buat cross. Going to do this one. Put one cross. Okay, I want you letak satu cross. 1, 2 macam ni cross. Salah. Okay. Do you write date and date? This one. Okay, after you finish this one, we go to the second picture. Number 2, gambar number 2. Okay, this boy is doing correct or wrong?
Correct.
Yes, betul. Dia buat correct thing. Sebab why? Because why? Dia makan. Yes, very good, Shian. Okay, dia makan makanan itu perlahan-perlahan. So, for example, okay, this one is hot water. So, for example, I want to drink hot water. I have to first open. I have to blow first, then only I drink. I cannot suddenly drink. Okay, later your neck will be pain. So, when you heat the hot food, you have to blow. Okay, you masa nak makan makanan panas, you kena blow dulu. Fu macam ni. Baru you boleh makan. Kalau if you want to makan soup ke, mee soup, anything soup sayur ke, you kena then only makan. Fu baru makan. Blow first, then only you eat. You cannot take the hot food, you cannot eat cepat-cepat. You tak boleh makan makanan panas cepat-cepat. Nanti kalau you tak blow, you tak makan, tak ikut, nanti sakit. Bahagian badan, nanti semua bahagian badan, mulut, neck, perut semua sakit. So when you want to eat the hot food, you must blow first. You see, Chong eat the mee soup slowly and properly. He eat the food and blow the food slowly because the food is hot. He doing the correct things. So you have to put the tick. Kena letak tick. Okay, tolong letak tick sebab dia buat perkara betul. Okay, kalau you nak makan makanan pedas, makanan panas, you kena blow dulu baru you boleh makan. You nak makan sup ke, sayur sup ke, vegetable soup, apa-apa soup, mee soup, Maggi soup, every soup when you eating, you must, if you eat the chicken soup, fish soup, then if you eat the vegetable soup, kena makan, blow dulu baru you makan. So, Aina, you just tick macam ni, tick. Okay, no need to write anything, tak payah tulis apa-apa. Just tick correct or wrong. Okay. Shian, what are you doing? Okay. Ini boleh faham number 1, number 2 picture can understand? Yeah, so when you eating the food, you cannot put lot of food dalam you punya mulut. Nanti kalau you makan banyak-banyak makanan you letak dalam mulut, nanti mulut sakit, nanti neck sakit, nanti stomach pain. So, you kena makan satu per satu, one by one only you eat the food. Number 2, kalau you you ada makanan panas, kalau ada nampak makanan panas ke, sup ke, sayur sup, chicken sup, apa-apa, kena blow. Hu, hu, hu like that. You hu, then only makan. You eat. Okay, nasi ke, sup ke, apa-apa makanan yang pedas, panas, okay, hot food, you kena blow first. How to blow the food? You blow. Like that. You blow, then only you eat. Okay? So, this one can understand these two picture. Boleh faham? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, you must understand So, next kita akan pergi ke gambar ketiga dengan gambar keempat. Number 3 and number 4 picture. Okay, we see the number 3 picture first. Okay, what is this? Ni apa? Frog. Okay, they asking about what are the uses of the frog. Semua orang tengok dekat sini Okay, dia tanya what are the uses of the animal tongue. Apa kegunaan dia punya lidah? Okay, show to me where is your tongue. Everyone show your tongue. Is tongue. Okay, ni adalah lidah. Okay, animal also got the tongue. Okay, animal also got the tongue. You see the frog tongue. Is this long or short? Itu panjang ke pendek? Dia punya tongue. Yes, panjang. Long. Okay, panjang Sebab tengok dia boleh buat dengan apa. Okay, frog punya lidah ni memang panjang. Dia boleh daripada jauh, dia boleh makan. Okay, dia punya lidah boleh gerak sampai sana. Okay, the tongue can be moved until over there, so it can eat. It faster eat the food. Dia makan, dia guna dia punya lidah, dia makan makanan cepat. Kalau kita guna macam ini makan. Tapi yang animal, yang frog ini, dia guna dia punya tongue dari sini ke sana, dia makan cepat. Dia guna daripada tongue. The tongue is panjang, very very long. So, dia boleh cepat-cepat makan. So, it's launch incredible fast. Captures an insect and put it back into the mud. Okay, frog can eat what? Frog boleh makan apa? Frog boleh makan bee. Some more eat the fly. Some more frog eat what? Bee, fly. Okay, dia akan makan bee, fly. Ini je. Nanti cikgu akan show one video about the uses of the kegunaan tongue frog dengan kegunaan tongue dog. Okay, so ni dia punya function. Dia boleh makan makanan itu cepat. Okay, dia guna dia punya lidah. This animal, this frog, use his tongue to eat the food faster. Dia guna dia punya lidah makan makanan cepat. Okey, dia guna dari sini, dari sana dia boleh ambil makanan. Dia guna dia punya lidah panjang itu, dia boleh makan bee, makan fly. Okay, so this is the kegunaan, function, uses of the frog. Okay, you orang boleh tulis frog F-R-O-G, frog. Okay, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Okay, ini frog, ini dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. Can see? Okay, teacher spell F-R-O-G, frog. Yang ni adalah dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay, so ini dia punya kegunaan frog. Okay, dia punya tongue. Okay, the tongue is very long. What color frog? Warna apa? Warna green color. This one, the tongue is pink color. Yang frog ini warna hijau, green color. Okay, the tongue is pink color. It seems the frog is big or not? Okay, frog ini macam ini tau, frog. Okay, frog macam duduk macam ni, frog. Okay, kita boleh tengok frog. Where we can see the frog? We see the frog at where? Xian, where we can see the frog? We see the frog at where? In the pool. Okay, we see in the pool. Okay, so this one, number 2 picture. What is this? Ni apa? Dog. Okay, how the dog sound? Whoa, 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 like that. Okay, whoa, 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 like that. Who like dogs? Siapa suka dog? Siapa suka anjing? Yes, I like dogs. Mazia, you don't like dogs? Xian, you like dogs or not? Why? Why? It's not scary one, okay? Okay, now we see the uses of the dog. Okay, the dog like this, huh? Whoa, 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 like that, okay? Okay, the dog tongue is like this. Okay, the dog, the tongue is out. Dia punya lidah itu dia akan turun bawah. Dia kalau dia nak nafas ke apa-apa dia macam ni. Like that. Okay, dia ada bunyi, dia ada suara. Dia punya tongue akan keluar. Dia akan rasa, dia akan buat macam ni. Macam itu. So the dog is like that. So dog can lapping up food and water. Okay, macam mana dog itu makan makanan? Dia punya tongue dia macam ni. Okay, kalau dia minum air pun dia guna dia punya tongue. Okay, like that. Okay, this is how the dog eat how the dog drink the water. How the dog eat the food? He use the tongue to eat the food. Okay, dia makan macam ni. Dia punya tongue. Dia punya ada gigi kan. Okay, dog also got teeth. So they use the teeth and the tongue makan. Okay, kalau dia minum air, dia guna dia punya tongue, dia minum air macam ni. He lick the water. Okay, we lick the ice cream, right? The dog lick the water. Like this. Okay, ini adalah kegunaan function of dog. Okay, boleh faham tak yang these 2 picture, class? Can understand? So, you must know what is the function of the tongue. So, okay, kita ada function. Kita boleh rasa pelbagai jenis makanan. Kalau I want, dia punya tongue ada yang panjang, ada yang pendek. Some the animal tongue is small and longer. Some the animal tongue is bigger. Like that. So, ini frog. Frog boleh makan makanan dari sini, dari sana dia boleh ambil. Sebab dia punya tongue itu panjang. Okay. Kalau dog, dia guna dia punya tongue, dia rasa air. Okay, he lick the water. Like that. Then, he use the tongue to eat, he use the teeth to eat the food. Okay, boleh faham? Boleh faham kelas? Very nice. Correct? Is that correct? Now, put cross. Okay, boleh faham tak? So, you no need to write apa-apa Just cikgu bagi explain saja. Okay, yang ini adalah frog. This one is dog. Okay, can understand class this topic? Can? Boleh? Faham. So, you kena tahu macam mana kita makan. Okay, macam mana kita nak makan. Okay, class listen. I don't want anyone talking. Listen. Semua dengar. Okay, masa kita makan, kita tak boleh makan semua makanan. Kita kena makan one by one. Kalau nanti kita makan banyak-banyak makanan, apa yang berlaku Olivia? Nanti sini, nanti naik akan apa? Naik akan apa? Naik akan kalau you makan makanan lebih, apa yang berlaku? Nanti naik akan sakit. Okay, kalau you nampak makanan, sup ke apa-apa, you kena blow. You have to blow your food first. Baru you boleh makan. Okay, this one can understand? Can understand? Ambil buku ini. Okay, tolong ambil buku ini. Activity book. Okay, I nak semua orang off your mic dulu. All of you off your mic. Tutup mic dulu. Semua orang tengok activity book. Buka surat 19. Buka surat 19. Page number 19. Okay. So, please write day and date first. Thursday dengan 29-7-2021. Thursday. 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 Then after that write 29-7-2021. Okay, please look your book class. All of you look first. Okay, semua orang tengok you punya buku. Okay, please don't play. I tak nak siapa-siapa main Semua dengar betul-betul. All listen. Who is doing the wrong action? Okay, tongue. Okay, which one is your tongue? Ni, lidah, tongue. Okay, tongue. Okay, kita tengok soalan. Who is doing the wrong action? Put a cross. Kita tengok satu persatu. We see one by one. Okay, we see this first picture. Okay, apa yang budak ini tengah buat? Siapa boleh cakap dengan cikgu? What is this going? Okay, dia tengah makan. Makan itu, dia makan cara yang betul ke atau cara yang salah? Ya, dia makan cara incorrect way. Okay, dia makan makanan itu dengan cara yang betul. Okay, kenapa you tengok? Contoh, Elsa is eating the food properly. She doing the correct action. Okay, contoh ini budak adalah Elsa. Elsa is eating, dia punya makanan itu, dia makan dengan cara yang betul. Dia makan makanan itu guna perlahan-perlahan dia makan. Okay, she eating the food properly. She eat the fish, she eat the rice, she eat the vegetable. dia makan nasi, dia makan sayur, dia makan ayam, ikan dan dia minum air. So, dia makan dengan cara yang betul. Elsa eating the food properly. So, she doing correct things or wrong things? Dia buat betul ke tak betul? Class? Yes, correct. So, she doing the... Yes, very good, Shian, Mazian, Olivia. Semua bagi cikgu jawapan. Good. So, she doing the correct things. Because, why? Because she eat in properly way. Dia makan dengan cara yang betul. Okay? Yes, very good, Shian. She also not talking. She sit properly. Dia duduk satu tempat, dia makan. Okay? Now, so this one is correct ke? Betul ke salah? This one is correct or wrong? Correct. So, I want you put the correct answer. You put tick. Okay? Okay, you don't need to put tick first. Okay, they asking who do the wrong things. So, she doing the correct thing. So, you don't need to put. Siapa yang buat salah saja kita buat pangkat. Correct one, you don't need to put. No need to put. Okay? We see the number 2 picture. This boy is very wrong. Ayo, tak boleh makan macam ni. Nanti dia makan makanan macam ini, nanti semua sakit. Nanti ni besar, nanti mulut sakit, nanti neck sakit, nanti sakit perut, nanti nak pergi klinik. So you see, Chong eat all the food jelly once in mouth. He should finish his food inside his mouth first. That only he can eat the next. Okay, sepatutnya dia kena makan satu persatu. One by one he should eat. But tetapi dia makan semua makanan masuk. Okay, terus masuk. Okay, dia masuk je semua makanan. So, kalau you masuk, ayo, very strong. Very stressed. See this boy. He is doing very wrong. Dia buat salah. Okay, he cannot do like this. Kalau dia buat macam ini, what happen? Apa yang berlaku? Nanti sakit mana? Nanti mulut, neck, perut semua sakit. So, masa you tengah makan, okay, contoh ini you punya makan. Okay, Olivia ada makanan, Shian ada makanan, Mazian got food, teacher Reno also got food. Okay, we take the food. Ini kita punya sudu. Okay, contoh. Okay, all of you do the action with teacher. Semua orang buat. Okay, ini you punya nasi. You ambil sudu, all of you follow action dengan cikgu. Okay, nasi, ini you punya sudu. Okay, macam mana you makan? You makan first, habis, baru you makan yang nombor 2. Okay, I know all of you follow with teacher. Semua follow action. Saya nak tahu macam mana kita makan. Ini you punya nasi. Okay, and Shian, Olivia, Mazian, you do the action like teacher Reno. Okay, take your hand like this. You take the spoon. Okay, how you eat? Makan macam ni. Kita habis makan satu, baru kita makan yang nombor 2. Tak boleh semua masuk. Ini apa? Ini mulut ke atau benda apa? Ini mulut. Ini mulut. This one is smart. Okay, not robot. We not robot. Kita bukan mesin. So, kita masa makan, kita habis satu. Okay, habis. Then, ambil yang second, nombor 2. Habis dulu dalam mulut punya. Finish inside your mouth first, baru kita ambil yang second. Dah habis yang nombor 2 dalam mulut punya, baru kita ambil yang next food. Kita bukan robot, kita bukan mesin. Kita boleh makan, nanti sini sakit. Nanti tak boleh cakap. Nak cakap pun nanti sini sakit. So macam dah masa nak makan, We must eat properly. We eat satu persatu. We eat the food one by one. So, yang ini betul ke salah? Salah. Okay, like this. So, Aina, you put cross. Okay, you letak cross dekat bulatan sini. Cross. Okay, dia suruh letak yang mana satu salah. Which one is wrong only? Joy drink water. Okay, kita tengok yang number 3. This boy is very good. Okay, Chong is eat the mee soup. So, dia tengah makan soup. So, masa dia tengah makan, dia he blow the food. Okay, sebab panas. So, he blow first, then he slowly baru makan. Kita tak boleh makan makanan panas cepat-cepat. Kalau kita makan makanan panas cepat-cepat, nanti mulut sakit, nanti gigi sakit, dalam tekak ini semua sakit. So, masa tengah makan makanan pedas, makanan panas, you kena blow first. Okay, semua buat action. Aina see how you do action. Okay, ini contoh mee soup. Okay, semua orang ada mee soup. Teacher Renu got mee soup. And Shian got mee soup. Olivia ada mee soup. Mazia got mee soup. Okay, now we eat. Macam mana kita makan mee soup? Kita first ambil, kita kena blow. Okay, kita kena blow first. Okay, kita sebab panas kan. Okay, sekarang semua orang ambil mee. Okay, do action with teacher. Take your mee first. This one. Raihan, sit properly, Raihan. Okay, when you eating the mee, how to eat your mee? Okay, kena blow dulu. Baru makan. Tak boleh terus letak dalam mulut tau, nanti sakit sebab panas kan. Panas punya makanan kita kena blow dulu baru kita makan. So, budak ini buat correct ke tak correct? Is doing correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Correct, very good class. So, no need to put the correct answer. So, dia buat betul. Kita pergi ke number 4. Kita tengok yang mana satu salah. Okay, per number 4. Okay, this boy, Raju tengah makan sambil bercakap. He eat the food until itu. Okay, for example, when you eating the food, can talk or not? Masa tengah makan boleh cakap tak? Cannot. Very, very wrong. Yes, very good. Masa when you eating the food, masa tengah makan makanan, nanti masa tengah makan bercakap, nanti makanan dalam mulut itu semua keluar. It will be come out. So it will be very dirty. Kalau you masa tengah makan, you tak boleh bercakap. Memang salah. Contoh, cikgu masa tengah makan, cikgu tak boleh cakap. Kalau cikgu cakap, nanti makanan dalam mulut itu nanti keluar. Nanti semua dekat bawah. Nanti virus, lagi big virus datang. So masa when you eating the food, cannot what? Cannot talk. Yes, cannot talking. So this boy is doing correct or wrong? Wrong. So I want you put the cross. Raihan. Okay, so masa kita tengah makan, kita tak boleh bercakap. Tak boleh bercakap. Contoh Olivia tengah makan, Olivia kena makan. Okey, masa kita tengah makan, kita tak boleh bercakap. Nanti bercakap, nanti makanan dalam yang perut itu akan keluar. Nanti virus datang, big virus come. So, this one is wrong. Okay, done. This one, this page. Okay, buku surat ini done ke belum done? I nak tengok semua orang. Show to teacher first. Okay, show your book to teacher. I want see your book. I nak tengok you orang punya buku. Show to teacher first. Okay, Shian, very good. Okay, please don't forget to write day and date. Thursday. Mazia, too near, show like this. Far. Okay, good. Olivia. Okay, very good, Mazia. Olivia. Okay. Ada tulis tarikh tak, Olivia, Thursday? Ada. Okay, good. So, kita buat page ini saja. So, cikgu akan cakap dulu. Masa kita tengah makan, kita kena perlahan-perlahan makan. Kita tak boleh makan semua. We cannot put all the food inside you punya mouth. We must eat properly, slowly. Perlahan-perlahan makan. Slowly makan. Tak boleh cepat-cepat makan. We cannot eat faster. Okay, we not machine. We are people. Okay, when you eating the food, you must eat properly way. When you eating, you cannot talk. Masa tengah makan, tak boleh bercakap. Okay, kalau ada makanan panas, tak boleh makan terus. Kena blow dulu baru kita makan. Next, kita tak boleh makan semua. Kita tak boleh letak semua makanan dalam kita punya mulut. Nanti your mouth will be pain. Nanti you punya mulut, dalam, next, sama semua akan sakit. So, masa you tengah makan, satu sudu habis dalam mulut punya, baru kita ambil yang second punya. Cannot put all, 1 sudu, 2, 3, 4. Or cannot put. Later you pain, you will be sick. Nanti you akan dapat, nanti sakit badan. Nanti you nak pergi klinik. So you must eat one by one. The food inside your mouth must be finished. Next only you eat the next food. Okay? You should eat properly way. Okay, teacher want to ask you, kita boleh makan makanan dekat classroom tak? We can eat the food in the classroom? Tak boleh. Kita kena makan dekat, okay, kita ada kitchen kan, sana ada table, kita ada kerusi, ada dekat situ kita boleh makan. Kita tak boleh makan dekat kitchen atau kitchen boleh. Kita tak boleh makan dekat tempat-tempat lain. So when you eating the food, kena makan betul-betul. When you eating the food, you must eat properly way. Okay, you must when you eating the food, you must wash your Yes, when you eating, you must wash. Before you eat, you kena cuci tangan, baru you boleh makan. Kalau tak cuci tangan, nanti big virus attack you. So cannot. So you must know how to eat the food in correct way. Okay, boleh faham? Boleh. So can understand class? Can so you must know how to eat the food. Okay, you cannot eat Cannot letak semua makanan dalam mulut. Nanti mulut sakit. Nanti you boleh sakit semua. Sakit badan tegak, neck, stomach pain. So when you serve the hot food, you should blow. You kena nampak makanan panas, you kena blow. Baru kita makan. Okay, can understand class?
Understand.
Okay, Mazia can understand?
Yeah.
Olivia faham? So, boleh makan tak makanan macam ini? Kita boleh letak tak mulut macam ini? Boleh tak? Tak boleh. Nanti apa berlaku? Nanti kita sakit. Nanti kita makan makanan letak sini sakit. Betul. Nanti sini sakit, nanti rasa sakit. Tak boleh. So, kita masa tengah makan, kita kena makan satu persatu. One by one. This one, Shian, can you tell to me when you eating the hot food, how to we must eat? Hot food. This one. Okay, when you eating the hot food, how you must eat? You must?
We must blow.
Yes,
We
very.
must blow. So, and we need to eat slowly.
Okay, very good, Shian. Very good. Okay, Maziang. This one, what is this one? This one is the frog. Okay, frog, the tongue is long or short? Long. So, it from the ear, dari sini dia boleh makanan. Okay, dia boleh makan bee, dia boleh makan fly, bee Okay. Okay, boleh faham hari ni punya topik semua? Can? Okay, so ini buku dengan buku aktiviti boleh simpan dulu. Okay, boleh letak sama sekali Put the book together. Like this. So, can understand tak class? Dogs kena tahu sebab dia orang punya lidah itu panjang, ada yang animal punya lidah itu pendek. So, masa kita kena makan properly. Must eat properly. Masa kita tengah makan makanan apa-apa pun kita kena makan dengan cara yang betul. Okay? When you eating the food, you must follow the step. You must eat properly. You cannot eat like this. You cannot eat all the food. Masa you nak makan makanan apa-apa pun, you kena perlahan-perlahan makan. Okay? Can understand class? Can understand. So, today we learn how to eat. Macam mana kita makan. Then kita learn function uses of the frog and dog. Okay, kata dengan anjing punya function tongue. Okay, tongue. Okay, so we going to finish our class. So all the homework must be finished class. Okay, thank you class. Thank you class. Thank you Mazian. Thank you Olivia. Thank you Shian. Bye.
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 Bye.